Hey everyone, this is XTOOL's OB Reader, professional diagnose. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how this works. First, connect your plug into the port. And now we're gonna take the OB plug and we're gonna plug that in. So your port is gonna be somewhere on the driver's side most likely, and it's gonna look like this. It could be anywhere on the driver's side under here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the plug and just simply plug it in. Now, what we're gonna do is put your key in the ignition and turn it to the on position. So you don't have to start your vehicle, just turn it to the on position. Once we do that, we're gonna get power into our unit here. Now, for some things, you will have to have your vehicle running for live data. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna press and hold the power button. And that should allow us to turn on, let's see. So for this, we actually pressed and held, nothing happened. We pressed it, nothing happened, but we double pressed and it turned on. So you might want to play with that a little bit there, but we're going through the settings. Now, I do not like that it's forcing you to use Wi-Fi right away. You can't actually use the unit right away.